हेलो फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट्सअप। मेरा नाम है राघव और आज हम करने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ सिंपल पेंडुलम। मेरे पास में ये पेंडुलम का बॉब है और एक स्ट्रिंग है एंड हमारा पेंडुलम का सेटअप रेडी है। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ आई वुड लाइक टू से थैंक यू टू यंग जीनियर्स फॉर दिस अमेजिंग साइंस किट and I'll attach the link of this kit in the description as well. Please do check it out, science enthusiasts. You're gonna love it. So let's get started. Now, if I see the bob over here, right, this position is called the mean position, and if I give it some amount of shift or displacement, right, these positions are called the extremes. Now let us say my hand is over here, as you can see, and this point is marked as point A. So when I release the bob of the pendulum, what do you think exactly would happen? I'll release it over here, and you tend to see that the bob is oscillating about its mean position. So we call this one oscillation. The bob is at point A again over here, and this is one oscillation. When the bob started off from here, went to the other extreme, and came back to its initial position, this is defined as one oscillation. So what we'll do is we'll calculate the time period of the pendulum with the help of a stopwatch. So I have the stopwatch ready right over here, and let's start. I'll give it a small tug. So I've displaced the bob, the stopwatch is ready, and let's get started again. 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this time I got 7 seconds and 49 milliseconds as the time taken to complete 10 oscillations. Now the time taken to complete one oscillation would be 7.49 divided by 10, that is 0.749 seconds, and you can see the calculation of the acceleration due to gravity, small g, right on the screen over here. Okay, so you see a difference in this setup. I have reduced the length of the string. Initially it was 15 centimeters, the string plus the hook plus the bob, and now I've reduced this length to 10 centimeters. Now let us see the change in the time period. So I'll again give a small tug to the bob over here and we'll see the difference. So again we'll do the same thing for 10 oscillations. So 3, 2, 1, and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you see the time over here, 6 seconds and 29 milliseconds is the time taken to complete 10 oscillations when the length was 10 centimeters. So we can draw a conclusion from this experiment that when we reduce the length, the time period also reduces. And we'll do the same calculation to find out the acceleration due to gravity, and you can see the same on the screen over here, and you'll notice that in both the cases you get the same or almost similar value of small g. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, do hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff coming soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, and happy learning.